Hi guys and welcome back na naman sa Gotech TV. Today meron tayong build featuring darkFlash parts na na-release natin. Recently released lang itong mga parts na to and we will be featuring them on our build. So, focus tayo ngayon sa aesthetic part ng build instead of the performance. So, we are featuring the new parts from darkFlash. Okay, for the parts ang ginamit natin is AMD Ryzen 5600. Meron tayo ditong Adata na Legend 710 512 gigs for our main drive, and meron tayo ditong 16 gigs na 3600 MHz from T-Force Delta. For our motherboard, ang gagamitin natin, syempre, B550 na Gigabyte. For our GPU, gumamit tayo dito ng RX 6600 Eagle, which is from Gigabyte, and it has 8 GB of VRAM. Okay, so dako na tayo sa parts natin from darkFlash. Meron tayong gagamitin ditong AIO, which is DV360S Wave Series. For the power supply, ang ginamit natin is 650 watts, perfect most, full modular power supply by darkFlash. And para sa lightings, gagamit tayo ng kanilang LG series na 8-pin and 24-pin. For the PC case, ang ginamit natin is darkFlash DY470. Andito yung front panel natin, very stylish, modern siya, and let's proceed with the build.
Seeing monsters out your window. No, you can't sleep, you pretend though. You don't have to play the hero, 'cause I got you like you got me. When the earth shakes, when the bombs scream, until our last breath, every heartbeat. Side by side, you know I'll come running when you need. I'm coming, you know I'll come running. If you go to war, then I'm going with you. Pick up my sword, yeah, there's nothing I won't do. When you sound the alarm and the chaos is rising, leading the charge, yeah, I'm coming, I'm fighting. Swear on the breath that I breathe, I'll never retreat, yeah, I'll be your army. If you go to war, then I'm going with you. Pick up my sword, yeah, there's nothing I won't do. When you sound the alarms and the chaos is rising, leading the charge, I'm coming, I'm fighting. Swear on the breath that I breathe, I'll never retreat, yeah, I'll be your army.
Okay, so tapos yung PC build natin and na-install na natin yung mga components from darkFlash, featuring yung case natin and AIO, including the lightings, power supply, hindi natin mapapakita pero install siya dito. So, very good looking yung build natin. And I hope nag-enjoy kayo dun sa build. Okay, so sa mga gustong umorder, meron tayo dyang Shopee and Lazada. So for the Lazada, meron kaming Gotek Microbeast page. And for the Shopee, meron tayong Mr. Shopman page. So check nyo silang both. For the Facebook naman, kung gusto nyo mag-reach out, gusto nyo mag-contact sa amin, meron kami ng page. Same din sa Lazada. Gotek Microbeast, contact nyo lang kami dyan. So for more videos like this, just comment and subscribe to our channel, Gotek TV. No? And that's it. Till next time.